Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. My dear teachers and honorable audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic of my speech is 25th of December with the reference of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So gentlemen, events associated with the death, birth and lifetime achievements of the personalities. 25th of December stand out as the most important date associated with the national, political and historical leader named Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. 25th of December has a great significance for Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was actually worthy of this grateful title bestowed upon him by his thankful nation. Mr. Jinnah was something more than Quaid-e-Azam. He commanded their imagination as well as their confidence. Even in the face of difficulties which might have overwhelmed him, it was given to him to fulfill the hope foreshadowed in the inspired vision of the great Iqbal by creating for the Muslims of India a homeland where the old glory of Islam could grow afresh into a modern state, worthy of its place in the community of nations. Mr. Jinnah was a legend even in his lifetime. Once he said, "We must sink individualism and petty jealousies and make up our mind to serve the people, to serve the nation with honesty and faithfulness. We must have unity, faith and discipline." Once in his Eid message, he said, "Islam is a complete code regulating the whole Muslim society, every department of life, individually and collectively." Unfortunately, today the Quaid Pakistan is facing numerous challenges and numerous problems. We have forgotten how much struggle the Muslims had made under the dynamic leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. But we can overcome our present difficulties by following the Quaid's golden motto: faith, unity and discipline. We can make our nation strong by remembering his advice to the youth. It is up to you to work, work and work, and be bound to succeed. We should pray Allah Almighty that our homeland, Pakistan, always making progress by leaps and bounds. May Allah Almighty bless our Quaid and replace all his sins into good deeds. May Allah bless us. Jazakallah.